Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Create a system restore point and backup important files. Once done, understand the why. Windows 10 embeds DirectX 12 into the OS kernel, so you cannot remove it without breaking Windows. What you can safely remove are optional legacy runtimes and redistributables. Make sure to close all games and apps, then open Control Panel, right arrow Programs and Features to identify installed DirectX redistributables. This gives you the exact items to uninstall first. Now you remove optional components step by step. First, uninstall any DirectX redistributables from Programs and Features. These are user-level installers and safe to remove. Then open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to detect protected files, followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair image issues. If a legacy runtime won't uninstall, use the DirectX enduser runtime installer to repair then uninstall. You do this because these tools finish by rebooting and verifying system stability. Check Device Manager, run games, and confirm no visual errors. If files were locked, reboot into safe mode and repeat the uninstall. That often frees in-use files. If anything goes wrong, restore the system restore point or rerun dism and sfc/scano to recover corrupted components. Make sure to reinstall any required DirectX redistributables for apps that requested them. One key tip: if a program breaks, restoring the point is the fastest, safest recovery path.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.